Hello, guys. Welcome once again over here on this platform. And today, in this video, we are going to explore a community in Kaneshie. And Kaneshie is one of the popular markets in Accra. And Accra is located also in Ghana, as I always tell you guys. So this is an advantage for those who have not been here before. So what you have to do if you're new over here is to just tap on the sub button, like the video, and share this video with your friends. And if you've not seen Kaneshie markets before, then I have the video in the description down below. Do you get me? So without wasting much time, let's continue watching. So as we are moving on, you're going to see guys that are working today. Do you know the reason why they're working? They are working for Ghanaians. Ghana president is trying to build an interchange from Kaneshie to Circle. Yeah, and it also leads to Accra UTC and Agbogblosh Market. So guys, as you can see, they are still working and it's not yet done. So now this is it. So that's the interchange. They are working seriously today. Today is Sunday and they are still working, guys. So that's so beautiful. And when you try to go on, when you go in front, you're going to see that they are directing cars to different sectors, and they've blocked some of the streets. The street that you're working on, they've blocked it, and they're working seriously underground. And I'm very happy for this, and I believe this is going to help everyone over here in this country. So guys, this is the end of this video for today. Don't forget to subscribe.